How you all doing? It's been a while. This is actually an update. Uh, like I said, I want to embark on, you know, six-figure funding challenge, but then we'll start from whichever account we got. Actually, I have lost like up to four Profilms accounts. Yeah, I've lost up to four Profilms accounts in the past. And funny enough, all those accounts that I lost was actually I actually won them from a trading competition. I won two from Alpha Capital Group trading competition, which was October and November last year, but I lost them. And then I won an account when the founder trader used to be around too. I won an account there. Okay, yeah, three. We'll call it three. And then I bought with fifers, which let's say I lost it too. So and currently now I don't have account. I'm just trading. I don't have Profilms account. I'm just trading a kind of personal account. So, but I want to engage you on a more serious challenge now because look, me losing an account back then was not actually based on my strategy, but it's more so about my approach and my risk management. Because even the last one that I lose on the five house was actually the last one. I passed my phase one. I passed my phase one, and my risk management was actually very very strict. So I passed it after 3 months, but then I got to phase two, and then I got taken out by new CPI. Yeah, I think it was CPI that day or NFP CPI. I don't know which one. Because basically I don't trade news, but unfortunately I got eaten by it that day. So and now I'm just kind of I have refined a lot of things. Actually, the way that and funny enough, the thing is, after each and every time that I lose an account, there's always a growth. Like I always improve from it. Like I never, all the accounts that I've lost in the past, have always improved one way or the other from it. So it's never kind of been static for me. I lose it and then I go for another one. No, because I'm always meticulous. Like I like to research and know why I failed. But it's just that sometimes you kind of slack off, you derail, and then you're not on point again, and then maybe you snap back into it, and then you start to go again. So it's actually what it has been for me. So it's actually a rough journey, up and down for me. But yeah, there's a lot of things we've refined, and yeah, I want to take on this challenge, and I want to make it live on YouTube. I mean, maybe not live, but every single week giving you updates about the trade that I take, how I take, why I take them, and then my equity and all this kind of stuff. So that is actually the thing now. But the thing is, this thing again, I'm going to win a competition account again. I'll make sure that I win a competition account this month, and then we are going to use the competition account for the stuff. I don't know how much, but I'm sure I'm going to win a competition account this month, and I will begin. So right now I'm in a competition, and there is only one competition that I'm on now, which is the Rebel funding. So I actually missed out on Alpha Capital and then funding peeps. I don't know. I thought I registered them, but I never did. It's only Rebel funding that I registered. So I'm on Rebel funding now. So hopefully we're going to use the Rebel funding account. So now let me show you a quick one on the competition updates as it stand. Here's the competition. Here's the competition. So let's check the rules and reward of this competition. Let's see. Just forget about the rules. Let's see the reward. So the reward, we have the first place 320k copper program, second place 160 copper program, on third 80k copper program, and then 4 to 5 we have 80k copper program. 6 to 10ish we have 40 gram copper program, and then 11 to 20 we have 20k copper program. Then 21st to 50th we have 10k copper program, and then 50 to 100 we have 5k. So my goals will be to be top five. Actually, you have to aim for the best So I'm aiming for top five, but it doesn't really matter where I finished. What that matters is I am going to get an account from this, and then I will begin with that. So yeah, that will be it. That will be the rewards. So currently, um, my name is not actually here. Top 100. My name is not here yet. Yeah, my name is not actually here for top 100. As you can see, 20%. My name is not here for top 100. That's fine. So let me just check and see where I am here. I'm just going to check my. Oops, okay, 102, that's not bad. So I'm actually in 102 position right now. That's great. We're coming up. So profit factor is 1.67. Actually, I think it's nice if your profit factor is actually over two. Two is good, but 1.67 is not bad. But I think two for me is the best. So I two and above, at least minimum two is actually what I aim for. Like on a normal account. On this, the funny enough, on this competition, I've been actually sometimes I do silly stuff, crazy stuff sometimes, or yeah, which is not normal. But I don't know why I do that, but um, sometimes I did crazy stuff. So it's not something I'm going to do on a live account or maybe on a challenge when we started. But here, I think I did some crazy stuff too. So total wins 20K. Average profit we have 1003K. I've taken 58 position. Total loss 12,106 and average loss was 281. Average RR is 1 to 4, 1:4. Oh, that's not bad. 1:4 is actually not bad. 1:4, yeah. And then um, success rate 25.86%. Now the thing is here, like this is to show you that success rate doesn't really matter as much as we think it does, because look, people might come and be like, I have a strategy 90%, and then you guys get fascinated with that. I think in some scenario, depends on the data. I think success rate doesn't really matter, but I'll be happy to stay 50 and above. Yeah, on my back testing sessions, I'm always like 60 and above, 66, 70 sometimes. But on the live, you see 25.86%. But then what really matters here is that my average risk reward is very, very positive, 1:4. I mean, that is great considering the risk reward, which is why I think is giving me the success that I'm having on the competition now, because of the average risk reward. But I would like it when my risk reward is like 50 minimum, so which I believe is around that kind of level or number. Once we begin on the challenge, I think it's going to be around that number, because like I said, there's a lot of trade that I took here that I'm not supposed to take, which is something that I've learned from, refined, and I'm getting better every single day, which is all that matters though. So, oh sorry. Okay, all right. Here the symbol that I took. Gold. I took 17 trades. I won 12. I lost 5, and I made a total of 14K from that. AUDNZD. I took 12. I lost everything, and I lose 1K. German 30. I took 8. I lost 1.7. AUD card. I took 8. I lost it all. Pound Oxy. I took 6. I lost it all. AUD Swiss, I took 4, I lost it all. Swiss yen, I took 3, I won it all. Now, what really happened is, I think this one is, I took 2 trades here. I took 2 trades here, which amount to that 12. German 30, I think I took 1 trade, but then the lot size was very, very kind of little. Here, I think it's 1 trade. Pound Ox, I think it's 1 trade too. AUD Swiss, I think it's 1 trade. Swiss yen too should be 1 trade, but gold, I think I've taken position like I think 3 times there on the different occasions, I've taken 3 trades there on gold, and I'm currently on the trade on gold as well, which is running in profit for now. So those are the close trade. The open trades, open trades. Is there any figure there? Okay, like I told you, open trade, which is gold right now, which is still good. Like as you can see, one lot, two lot, 0.3, 0.05. This is the trade that I'm on gold right now. But this is the close one, and then this is everything. So let's check the trade on gold and see. Okay, here's the trade on gold right now, which is running in profit. So like I said, it's running in profit. It's actually a beautiful trade. Um, what really happened, as you can see, uh, we've taken out this area. As you can see, we've taken out this area. We push up, and then we have this first continuation. I mean, daily two was looking great, so but we're not going to dive deep into that technique right now. So daily, on the 1 hour, we have this first area, which is good. Or this first area, which is good, and then we push up. I took a trade, a loss here on the gold, which is again part of it. One of those trades one of the losses that I took on gold as well was this one. As you can see, actually forecasted it. I planned it. You know, I was anticipating touching the back end of this area of a level there. So I actually forecasted that, and I took this trade right here, which resulted in a loss. As you can see, this is the trade that I took right there. I took it after this retrace, something like this. I have my SL just above this streak right there, and then I was actually targeting this area. As you can see, eventually I got taken out, which is again I feel something I'm not supposed to have taken, and I know why I shouldn't have taken the trade, which is a very key lesson that I learned there. That actually, shifting making the difference. There's a lot of lessons that I learned here, but like I said, I'm not going to dive into that. So then we push up, we have this continuation, we push, we have this correction, and then we push. Now the sequence is nice. We have this one, then we follow by a little ones, and then follow by a larger ones. And I'm very sure this one will be kind of enough to actually push it to this level. So what we can expect is that we can still push a little bit and then form a kind of a small one, and then we push up, maybe a one that might probably be bigger than this one that we had, and then probably going to push it to this level. So this is the sequence that I'm expecting right now, because you see, if you look at the way prices move, it's actually normal for price to kind of take a breather. It needs a lot of volumes. It needs to generate a lot of volumes to actually, that will be enough to move price to this level, which I think it has does. It has does around here. It has generated a lot of volumes, and now if there's anything, I think we'll be expecting some little small rejections, corrections, and then up to this point, even I'm rooting it could come all the way to this level, but we can't tell. So, however, if we begin to form a larger continuation around this level, then that will start to make it difference. Like that will be probably anticipating a reversal around this level. But for now, we're going to follow the momentum, which is to the upside, and then we're going to see. So let's look at the trade.